We love our customers, and we work incredibly hard to make them happy. So when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.